Hey guys, it's Brandon's Bullish and I'm back with another video. We're looking at SPY on the 1 hour. Friday it went up, got to 102 really, and just could not hold. Retested, pretty much just retested and reclaimed everything it made that day and closed below, honestly. Post market we seen a little bit of we seen a bit of bull step into play, and then we seen a giant gap up for today pre-market. So I guess we're looking to see if this will hold or if this will come to fill the gap at 597. If it does hold, I have my next supply would probably be here at 603.77 where we tested earlier, and then 605 my Fibonacci supply, or I guess we can make it a real supply because it touched it. It's valid. But so 603 and then 605 are my next bullish point of interest, I guess. Yeah. And then 599.18 and then 597.40 is my point of interest on the downside. Let's go into NVDA. On NVIDIA, pretty much the same thing. It was less bullish than SPY, I would say, on Friday, but at the end of the day, it's still like retested and reclaimed everything it made. Consolidation post market, and then still a gap up from NVIDIA. So I guess we'll have to see if it closes at 141.90 or if it starts to push out of here. My next supply would be at 143, and then I'm missing one, but 145 would be my next one. Yeah. And then 145 and then to 148. But on the downside we have 141.80. This is for the gap to fill, and then 140.50. Currently, it's sitting right above the VWAP and the EMA cloud. The EMA cloud just flipped to turn to bullish as well. So watch for that. That's both SPY and NVIDIA that just flipped. So yeah, definitely watch to see what happens during market open. Probably volatile and a big move, honestly. But SPY was probably the least bullet. I feel like I'm always saying this. I feel like, not SPY, Apple. I'm talking about Apple. I don't know. I feel like Apple looks very dead, honestly. All I see it do is fall, and it always falls the most out of SPY. Yeah, Apple just looks so dead. Like, it doesn't look like it has any price action anymore. But it did make a small gap up. Like, it can't, dude, I feel like it has no, nah, this stock is dead. But small gap to fill at 190.65. It's under the VWAP. I guess it's on the VWAP and under the EMA cloud. So I guess watch for more bearish action, I guess. It doesn't even look close to flipping or look like it has a possibility. There's a gap to fill at 196.65, and it looks like there's a gap to fill at 195.88. So I'm just gonna make a line right here because they're pretty close. Yeah, I'm gonna just keep it right here. Gap to fill at 195.196. I'm gonna just say 196. Yeah. Below that, we have a demand at 193.30. For the upside, our supply is 201.38 and then 205. Don't see it being very bearish today unless there's good news, like very good news. But let's actually take a look at the ES. The ES seems to be about to break out of the zone. Looks good. It's above the VWAP. It's above the EMA cloud. The EMA cloud just flipped, so those are all bullish indicators. let's see if I'm missing some. This isn't. I don't believe this is an all-time high though. No, it's just yeah, getting back to those levels. Looks like SPY is slightly behind though. Yeah, it's getting back to those levels from February. That's so interesting. That's exciting. We're getting back to all-time highs soon. NQ looks a little more bullish. I mean bearish, but still looks to be breaking. Oh, and it's closer to its all-time highs than SPY. So interesting. Yeah, market looks like it could break and go to all-time high soon. But that's all I have for today. Let me know if there's any stocks you would like to look at, or just anything you want to discuss about. But or any questions you just have. But yeah, I'll stay tuned and stay bullish.